Scan AI is a specialist business department dedicated to providing bespoke solutions and services for all levels of machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. Partnering with the biggest names in AI technology, we're able to offer tailored hardware specifications and configurations, software packages, connectivity, and hosting options. Being part of Scan Computers, who've been building bespoke PCs for over 35 years, Scan AI have since evolved into experts in delivering solutions for deep learning, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. And the specialist team is made up of industry experts, including system architects, software engineers, and data scientists, together providing the highest level of service and support for you and your business across any industry. Our complete AI ecosystem is available to trial in a secure hosted proof-of-concept environment to ensure any systems and solutions are the right ones for you. For more information, contact the Scan AI team today.